So hello guys, right, awesome, thanks for tuning in. We're going to learn this awesome combo today and it looks like this. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. Right, so awesome. First of all, what you need to do to start this move off, you need to get your forefinger and your middle finger and have them pointed out like so together. Then what's going to happen is this going to wrap around and you're automatically in this eagle pose. You know, if I was to drop it, it would go in the air and snare you, and that's the eagle. So we're just going to call this the eagle pose. And we're going to have this like this, right, standing here with this pointing like this. And we're going to come underneath here now. So what's going to happen to get this move now, what you need to do, okay, is you need to be focusing right on the top of the stick. See where, well, obviously right at the top there, that is where you're going to be throwing the stick onto this stick, right? So we're going to be throwing it underneath, right? So we're going to come underneath this stick and we're going to aim to point this part of the stick here. And it's going to want to roll naturally, yes? Now, to get this separated so you're no longer holding on to the stick and this is actually going for like a stick roll, it's a little bit like a finger roll, right? So we're going to put this underneath and we're going to let it go. It's going to make 1 or 2 rotations, but you're going to bring your hand in this way to get the stick. So if you watch again, boom, boom, boom. Just see how I come underneath. As this is falling down, I'm going to come in and I'm going to swoop it with this hand. Yeah. So in slow-mo, the move will. So next of all, what you need to be focusing on is coming off in this direction here, turning your hips and your feet so your whole body is facing this direction. From here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And that is basically the whole move. So I'll show you the whole thing in slow-mo now. So I hope this helped you out, guys. If you felt this helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please consider supporting it. You'll be doing an amazing thing because my channel is very small at the moment and I would like to grow it. And I'd also like to grow a community where all of you could, you know, I could just make you into badass ninjas. So yeah, please subscribe and I'll see you again tomorrow for another tutorial. Hoorah!